Philippians chapter 3,
Filipi wesithathu.
Paul speaks about attaining
uPaul ukhuluma ngokuthi
or
ukuthola
achieving
noma ukuzuza
a spiritual and a moral resurrection.
ukuvuswa kamoya.
Not the one that is of the grave.
Hayi
coming out.
lokwethuna.
He speaks about the spiritual and the moral one,
Ukuvuswa nangokuziphatha
resurrection.
kokuvuswa.
That means living for God.
Kusho ukuthi ukuphilela uNkulunkulu.
If you are spiritually resurrected
Uma kuukuthi uvusiwe ngokukamoya
and you are also morally resurrected,
futhi uqeqeshiwe ngokuvuswa,
you are living a life that is no longer the life of your own.
awusaziphileli ke impilo engeyakho.
It's a life of God.
Seyimpilo
Now,
kaNkulunkulu.
a life of God,
Impilo kaNkulunkulu
it cannot be affected
angeke nje yathinteka.
by what is associated with death.
Ethintanisa nokufa, ehlanganisa nokufa.
Because as children of God,
Njengabantwana
the
bakaNkulunkulu.
same if Philippians chapter 3,
Yena uFilipi wesithathu.
Paul says
uPaula uthi
the resurrection power
amandla okuvuswa
that is in us,
akithi
he says it's active.
uthi ayaphila.
But why do we see many believers
Kungani sibona amakholwa amaningi ke
not being able to achieve this power?
angakwazi ukuwathola ke lamandla?
Why are we failing
Kungani sihluleka
to reveal such power?
ungibula wona lamandla?
Why do we die just like the world dies?
Kungani sifa njengezwe lifa?
Yet when we look at how the first apostles lived their lives,
Kanti masibheka abapostoli bokuqala baphila kanjani impilo zabo?
we look at Stephen,
Sibheka uStefan,
we look at Paul,
sibheka uPaul,
how they died.
ukuthi bafa kanjani?
They actually released their own life, they gave it to God.
Kusho ukuthi bayikhulula nje impilo zabo bazinikezela kuNkulunkulu.
They didn't just die,
Zange bamane nje
they
bafe.
gave up their spirits.
Banikezela imoya
Just
yabo.
like our Master Jesus Christ.
Njengomphathi wethu uJesu Kristu.
Meaning, if we fail
Kusho ukuthi mase sihluleka
to attain
ukuthola
the spiritual and the moral resurrection,
lo umoya wokuvuswa,
if we fail to
Ukuyiphatha
attain the two, spiritual and moral resurrection,
okamoya nangokwesimilo
if we
kokuvuswa,
fail the two,
uma
we
sihluleka
are not guaranteed of the resurrection out of the grave.
kusho ukuthi asinaso ke isiqiniseko ngaphandle kwethuna.
Because it must first start with being spiritually and morally resurrected.
Ngoba kuqala ngokukamoya nangokwesimilo ukuvuswa.
When you are at that state,
Uma ukulobo mumo
you are well prepared
solungiselelwe
to face everything
ukuthi ubhekane
and
nanoma
not
yani
get affected.
futhi ungalimali.
You become a believer
Uba yikholwa
that can pass through anything
elikwazi ukudlula kukho konke
without being affected,
ngaphandle kokuthi lilimali,
without being corrupted,
ngaphandle kokuthi lingcoliseke,
without being morally corrupted.
ngaphandle kokuthi ungcoliseke isimilo sakho.
Why does it say morally resurrected?
Kungani ithi ukuvuswa
If
kwesimilo?
you are morally resurrected,
Uma isimilo sesivusiwe
it means whatever you go through,
kusho ukuthi kuwo konke la
you can
undlula
never
khona
lose your morals.
angeke ulahlekelwe isimilo,
You can never lose your morals
angeke ulahlekelwe
because you
isimilo
are morally resurrected.
ngoba ngokwesimilo uvusiwe.
So many still carry
Abaningi basaphethe
morals that are not resurrected,
isimilo esingakavuswa,
which becomes a trap for many believers.
sekuba yigibeke kwamakholwa amaningi.
You enter into trouble,
Ungena enkingeni,
you face things,
ubhekana nezimo,
but morally you are being contaminated.
kanti ngokwesimilo sowungcolisekile.
You are losing who you are.
Ulahlekelwa ukuthi wena ungubani,
You are also losing your spiritual life,
futhi ulahlekelwa
your
nempilo yakho
fellowship with
kamoya,
Jesus.
ubudlelo bakho noJesu.
But if we look the first apostles,
Kodwa masibheka abapostoli bokuqala
which are the 12,
laba bawu12,
the more they were persecuted,
ngalesikhathi bezingelwa
the
kakhulu,
more they were attacked,
ngalesikhathi behlaselwa
it's
kakhulu,
the more they revealed the glory.
yilapho ke bebambula kakhulu inkazimulo,
It's the more we saw the glory.
yilapho besibona khona ke inkazimulo.
But the current believers,
Kodwa ke amakholwa namhlanje
what we see
lokho esikubonayo
is people who are morally dead,
sibona abantu abafile ngokwesimilo,
meaning no fruits,
kusho ukuthi izithelo zona zikho,
Remember, a tree must pass through different seasons
khumbula-ke ukuthi isihlahla kufanele sidlule ezimeni
until
ezihlukahlukene
it reaches the stage where it
ukuze sifike
bears fruit.
esimeni lapho sithela khona isithelo.
So the current believers,
Abakholwa
when
namhlanje
it's time to bear fruit,
uma kuyisikhathi sokuthi bathele
you
isithelo
find people who are morally corrupted.
sothola abantu ababonakele ngokwesimilo.
And if you ask them, why are you like this?
Mawubabuza ukuthi kungani ungalendlela
I went through problems.
ngidlule ezinkingeni.
Meaning you did not attain
Kusho ukuthi zange
or
uthole
achieve
noma uzuze
the spiritual and morally resurrection.
isimilo noma ukuvuswa ngokukamoya.
You have not yet attained such power.
Azange wathole lawo mandla.
That power,
Lawo mandla
it's there to keep you
alapho ukuthi akugcine
in the dead body
kulomzimba
without being affected.
ungalimali nokulimala.
It's there to keep you,
Uze
not to
luzokulona
depart before time.
ukuthi ungahambi kungafikanga isikhathi.
So if you are not spiritually and morally resurrected,
Uma ke ungakavuswanga ngokukamoya
problems can make you to depart before time.
inkinga zingakwenza ukuthi
Testings
udlule
can make you to
phambi
depart before time.
izilingo zingakwenza ukuthi udlule ngaphambi kwesikhathi.
And the world will say, "Bewiskad," yet it was not yet time
Kanti bekungakafikanga isikhathi izwe lona
for
lithi
that
isikhathi
believer to die.
ukuthi umzalwane ashone.
So one dies,
Omunye afa,
one dies,
omunye afa,
omunye uyafa. One dies
omunye uyafa
because of not attaining
ngenxa yokungazuzi
such power,
amandla njalo
spiritually and morally resurrected.
okukamoya nangokwesimilo uvuswe.
Few are carrying such power.
Bayidlanzana ke noma bambalwa abaphethe lawo mandla.
And in these end times,
Ngalenkathi ke zokugcina
God uses such people
uNkulunkulu usebenzisa labo
to
bantu
run at the front
ukuthi bagijime kuqala
so that whoever is looking at them
ukuthi noma ubani
might
obabekile
witness such power upon them,
angafakazela lamandla phezukwabo,
so that they can testify.
bangafakaza
We saw them
ukuthi sibabonile
picking up snakes.
baphatha izinyoka
They didn't die.
azange
We saw
bafe.
them drinking poison.
Babonile baphuza
They
ubuthi
didn't
ushevu
die.
zange
We
bafe.
saw them going through troubles,
Babonile bandlule ezinkingeni
through trials, tribulations,
ezingcindambeni
persecution.
nasenkingeni nasekuzikelweni.
But we don't see
Kodwa
their
zange
morals
sibabone
being corrupted.
isimilo sabo sonakala.
We don't see them being morally corrupted.
Asibaboni isimilo sabo sonakala.
But instead,
Kunaloko
we see
sibona
the Christ being revealed.
uKristu yena yedwa embulwa.
Imagine being in trouble,
Ube senkingeni cabanga.
facing all these things,
Ubhekana nazo zonke lezi zinto
but not being corrupted,
kodwa ungangcoliseki.
not losing fellowship spiritually.
Ungalahlekelwa ubudlelwane kamoya.
Because it says we fellowship with him through suffering.
Uthi sihlanganyela naye ngezinhlupheko.
Same Philippians chapter 3.
Yeah,
Paul
Philippians
says we fellowship with him
Uthi siba nobudlelwane naye
through suffering.
ngezinhlupheko.
People who are able to fellowship with God in that level
Abantu abakwazi ukuba nobudlelwane
Are dangerous
noNkulunkulu
people.
abantu abayingozi.
are dangerous people.
Bayingozi labo
These
bantu.
are people whom you will try them in every way
Labo abantu ongabalinga ngazo zonke izindlela
until you give up.
bese ulahla thawula.
You will try them in every way. You will put
Yobalinga
them
ngayo
in every
indlela.
situation
Bafaka izo zonke izimo
until you give up
bese ufika ulakho
and
ulahla
say, no,
thawula.
their God lives.
Uthi cha laba baphelele uNkulunkulu.
Their God lives.
Bayi uNkulunkulu wabo yaphila.
But because of not being able to seek God
Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi bangakwazi ukumfuna uNkulunkulu
more and more
kakhulu
daily,
insuku zonke
many believers are dying.
amakholwa amaningi ayafa.
Many have died even spiritually.
Abaningi ke bayafa nokukamoya.
They've died. They
Bafika
are waiting
nje,
for death.
balindele vele ilanga lokufa.
Situations are making them to give up.
Izimo zibenza ukuthi balahle
Troubles
ithawula.
are making them to give up.
Inkinga zibenza ukuthi balahle
Financial
ithawula.
crisis,
Inkinga zezimali,
marital
inkinga
issues.
zomshado.
It makes them to give up on God,
Zibenza ukuthi balahle uNkulunkulu bangasamthemba.
thinking God is a man, he must repent.
Bacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu umuntu nje kufanele aphenduke.
Why angifake kule simo lesi? Why ngenela? Why me? Why me?
Kungani?
If you are to know the power,
Uma nje kufanele uwazi
the
amandla,
resurrection power,
amandla okuvuswa.
you would stand boldly and say, God
So
made an
manje
example through me.
Wenza isibonakaliso ngami.
There you'll testify and say,
Zofakaza.
God made an example
Wenze
through me.
isibonelo ngami.
So whoever will fail to believe,
Noma ubani ohluleka ukukholwa,
their judgment will be great.
akuhlulela kwabo kuyoba kukhulu.
Because God will say, no, I put someone
Ngoba uNkulunkulu uzothi ngimbekile umuntu
to reveal such power,
uthambule wona lamandla.
surviving in every situation.
Wadlula kuzo zonke izimo.
So why do you fall?
Wena uwiswa yini?
Why do you give up?
Kungani ulahla ithawula?
Why do you look at your troubles
Kungani ubheka inkinga
and you
zakho
want to give up on God?
bese sofuna ukulahla uNkulunkulu?
If the eye is gone
Uma nje ilihlo lingasekho, mina ngingasekho,
and you are left with the Christ,
bese sosele noKristu.
everything that happens in your life,
Yonke into eyenzeka
it's
empilweni
on
yakho
account of Jesus Christ.
konke kukaJesu Kristu.
Because you are no longer living your own life.
Ngoba usaziphilele yakhe
It's a
impilo.
godly life
Seyimpilo kaNkulunkulu
on earth,
emhlabeni.
passing through everything. Passing through everything
Undlula kuko konke
with a godly life.
ngempilo kaNkulunkulu.
But people fail this thing.
Kodwa abantu
They
bahluleka.
make the gospel to seem powerless.
Benza ivangeli libukeke ngathi alinamandla.
As if Jesus was not raised from the dead.
Ngathi uJesu azange avuswe kwabafileyo ekufeni.
I want you to look at this now.
Ngifuna nike nibheke lokhu.
Elijah
Elijah
and Elisha.
no Elisha.
Elisha was a servant to Elijah.
Elisha wayeyisebenzi sika Elijah.
Elijah was taken by chariots of fire.
Elijah wayethatha amahashe omlilo.
He never went to the grave.
Azange aye ethuneni.
Now comes Elisha.
Sekuzo Elisha ke manje.
Elisha dies
Elisha
because
uyafa
he was ill.
ngoba bekase
Beagula. He was
Beagula.
ill. He
beyagula.
became very sick.
Wagula kakhulu.
He died.
Wafa.
But who was his father?
Ubani beka ubaba wakhe kanti?
The father was not caught up with death.
Zange athinte ukufa ubaba wakhe.
The man he served under
Lo muntu
was
wayekhonza
taken.
ngaphansi kwakhe wathathwa wahlwithwa.
Now comes Elisha.
Sekuzo Elisha.
Elisha becomes sick. He dies.
uyagula uyafa.
In his death,
Ekufeni kwakhe
they throw a dead body in his grave.
balahla umzimba ufile ethuneni lakhe.
And the man was resurrected.
Le ndoda yavuswa.
Now, meaning he had something that he could not operate in.
Kusho ubhekana lento bekangakwazi ukusebenza kiyo.
He had resurrection power on him.
Bekanawo amandla wokuvuswa phakathi
Because it's
kuye.
active in believers.
Ngoba asebenza kumakholwa amaningi.
But how many are able to withdraw
Kodwa bangakhi abakwazi ukudosa lawo
such
mandla.
presence?
Lokukhono kunjalo.
And if you read 2 Kings chapter 13,
Uma ufunda amakhosi wesibili.
you'll find that Elisha,
Elisha
I think he had a problem of anger.
bayenenkinga yentukuthelo.
Because there's a king that came to him
Ngoba kunenkosi eyekeza kuye.
to tell him about the war that has come.
Kuzomtshela ngeempi ezayo.
And he told the king to take the arrow and shoot the arrow, I
Thatha
think
imcisho
5
ukuthi
times or how many
ayibhubule.
times. But the king did it 3 times.
Kodwa inkosi yayenza kathathu.
So it says Elisha was angry
Elisha wathukuthela.
and said, because you have done this, you
Ngoba
are only
sowenze
going
lokhu.
to win the battle 3 times.
Sekufaneleke manje uzuza impika ethathu.
And after that he died.
Emva kwalokho wafa.
So there was a problem of moral.
Kwakunenkinga yesimilo.
There was a problem of morals,
Bekunenkinga yesimilo
which led him to die
eyamholela ekufeni.
and end up in the grave.
Wagcina
But
isiphatho
the
sakhe
bones
sesileni.
still carried such power.
Kodwa amathambo nasaphethe wona
The
lamandla.
bones still carried resurrection power.
Amathambo asaphethe amandla okuvuswa.
So he was dead.
Nakuba
In
bekafile.
his death, he raised people.
Ekufeni kwakhe eyevusa